Hey everyone, it's Sebastian here and welcome to this video. This is the channel where we want you to be all you can be. And have you ever thought about becoming a leader? Well, today we're gonna cover the basics of a true leader. By the end of this video, you'll understand the top 11 traits of a true leader. So the polite thing to do now is hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into it. Right, so there's more than 50 qualities of a great leader. Today we're gonna cover the top 11 traits, the top 11 qualities to become a great leader. And it's up to you to put these into practice and put these into repetition. Number one, great leaders, they have vision. They can see into the future. They have a clear idea of where they're going and where they want to be. This quality of a vision is something that a typical manager might not have. A typical manager that works with the team to get the job done, where the visionary, the leader, is the one that transforms and sets the future of the business. So while a manager gets the job done, a true leader taps into the emotions of the employee. Number two, courage. Courage is the second trait of a truly effective leader. The quality of courage means that you're willing to take risks in the achievements of your goals with no assurance of success. Because there's no certainty in life, every commitment you make and every action you take will have some sort of risk, and there is no guarantee of success. Among the top 11 traits of a leader is courage, the most identifiable, outwardly identifiable trait of a true leader. Number three, promptness of decision making. Someone who wavers in decision shows that he or she is not really sure of themselves, which means they cannot lead others successfully. Successful leaders, they reach decisions promptly and effectively. They normally know what they want and they generally get it. When opportunities comes their way, they evaluate them, make a decision, and then take action. They know that indecisiveness is just a waste of time that could be spent better on just taking action and doing more tasks. The fourth quality is integrity. The first value that senior members and executives agree upon for a company, the value is integrity. They all agree on the importance of complete honesty, both internally and externally. The core of integrity is truthfulness. It requires that you always tell the truth to everyone, everywhere, in every situation. Truthfulness is the foundation quality of trust that is necessary for a successful business and operation. Number five, and the next attribute of a successful leader, is of course self-confidence. Successful leaders are confident in themselves. They're secure in their own abilities and knowledge. They know that the starting point to develop self-confidence is having a purpose and having the commitment and continuous drive to take actions towards their goals and that purpose, despite any setback or challenges. Those are the same leaders that are fearless and have the courage to do the right things without hesitation. Number six, humility. Humility is another trait of the successful, strong leader. A strong and decisive leader must also be humble. Humility doesn't mean that you're weak or unsure of yourself. It means that you have the self-confidence and the self-awareness to recognize others and their say without feeling threatened. It means that you are willing to recognize that you could be wrong. It means that you know that you might not have all the answers. And it means that You give credit where credit is due. Next, and number 7, is the quality of strategic planning. Great leaders are excellent at strategic planning. Leaders have the ability to anticipate trends well in advance of their competitors. They continually ask, where is the market going? Where is it heading in a month, in 3 months, in a year, in 2 years? They want to know what the customer wants. And they do all of this through thoughtful strategic planning. Number 8, and another attribute of the successful leader, is to focus on strengths and results. True leaders always focus on the needs of the company and the situation. They always focus on results achieved from themselves, others, and the whole organization as a whole. Great leaders focuses on strengths in themselves and in others. They focus on the strength in the organization to create the best products, the highest quality, to the many customer needs, above and beyond the competition. Your ability as a leader to call the shots and make everyone accountable to make best use of their time in the organizations is crucial to deliver excellence and have the best performing company. The most important contribution you can make to your company is to become a leader, to take full accountability and keep moving forward. Number 9, self-control. People who cannot control themselves and their emotions can never control others. Self-control sets a mighty example of others, which the more intelligent will emulate. Great leaders with self-control resist short-term gain at the expense of a long-term payout. They also act strategically instead of just reacting. It's the self-control in thought and action that actually creates consistency. Number 10, a keen sense of justice. Justice enables great leaders to perform their roles effectively. In most tasks, a true leader needs to exercise fair judgment. Without true judgment and fairness and trustfulness, it's very hard, almost impossible, for a true leader to command the respect of his or her followers. Number 11, last but not least, a true leader have a pleasing personality. No careless person can become a true leader. Leadership calls for respect. Followers will not respect a leader who does not score high on all attributes of a pleasing personality, like a positive mental attitude, smiling, dressing well, making an impact. So now you know the basic attributes that contributes a true leader. There are many more, but you should be able to find these in leaders that you might look up to or know of. If you're interested in learning more about how to achieve success in business and in life, then make sure to check out our other videos on this channel. The polite thing to do? Yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, the notification button, make your comments, and make sure you never miss out on any other videos that comes to this channel to make sure you get your financial freedom and your success in business and life. Keep pushing and make it happen.